I've been changed. Yes, really changed. In these past few days, when I see myself, I seem like someone else. I don't know how to take this. I don't see why he moves me. He's a man. He's just a man. And I've had so many men before in very many ways. He's just one more. Should I bring him down? Should I speak of love? Should I scream and shout? Let my feelings out. I never thought I got to this. What's it all about? Don't you think it's rather funny? I should be in this position. I'm the one who's always been so calm, so cool. No lover's fool, running every show. He scares me so. What's it all about?
Call security.
Oh, shut up. You liked it. Yet, if he said he loved me, I'd be lost, I'd be frightened. I couldn't cope, just couldn't cope. I turn my head, I'd back away. I wouldn't want to know. He scares me so. I want him so. I love him so.